to another video here with my friend Diana today. I thought I'd bring you guys along as like a little vlog, a little friend get together, hang out, quarantine edition. We're going to be going to a lake that's near our house, and we're gonna have like we're gonna camp out. It's gonna get dark and we're gonna watch the sunset go down. We have some snacks, we have volleyball, and now there's a bus in the background. Let's get into the video. Woo! Oh, the neighbors are probably watching me right now. Okay. Yep. Nope, not today, my friend. That's a wasp. But I want to show you guys what we brought. As you can see, we have a whole stash of goodies in the back end. I brought my little turtle, some fun goodies, a volleyball. I brought some blankets in there, some snacks. And then Diana's gonna get some Chicken Express. Diana's driving. We're headed to Chicken. Don't look at the camera. She's on the road. We're gonna get the Chicken Express. Get her some din din. Can I just point this out? And that car better not pull out. Thank you very much, sir. Okay. Walgreens had said that they didn't have fans because we wanted a fan because it's really hot where we live. We're going to the lake, as I already told you. And we called them and said, y'all have fans? And they said, no, we don't have fans, blah, blah. And I was like, Diana, maybe we should just stop. Just see if they have a fan. They had a fan.
They had a lot of fans.
They had a lot of fans. So thank you, Walgreens, for lying to us. But we're about to pull up to Chicken Express and get her some din din.
Din din.
And it's Chicken Express. Diana's about to order. I don't know why it's so zoomed in on her face. Hello?
Can I get the $6 tender box?
This is only until 4.
What? Why is it not zero? It's
Regular spicy?
Spicy.
That's funny.
Thank you.
They probably can see the camera too. They're probably like,
Thank you.
Oh.
You weirded her out, man.
No! What's funny is the guy in the background. I think I got that on the camera. His face, he was like, what are you doing? That's funny. Oh my goodness. I can't breathe. I didn't get that camera. I did not get that on camera because I was too embarrassed. But the guys in there, they started laughing at us because I was recording their faces. I don't know if I might have got one of the guys' faces in the video, but I don't know. But that was hilarious. That may have made their day just now. They probably have nothing else better happening in their quarantine drive-through working day. All right, now we're headed towards the lake. We're trying to get a parking spot. Yeah. That's what we're trying to do right now because we parked over here, but we don't want to park over here because we don't want to sit all the way over here to see the lake. So we're trying to get one of those spots that's over there. You can't see it right yet, but that's what we're trying to do. So we're gonna go over here and see if maybe one's opened up. And if not, then we'll just play volleyball in the meantime. So that's what we're doing. This is the lake though, isn't it pretty? It's a pretty lake. Can you see that? Can you see those ducks? I'm gonna go up to them in a second and say hi to them.
Look at that house over there.
What house? That's a house?
Yep.
Wow. We're trying to get one of those spots right there. But as you can tell, they're all taken, so. Yeah, we're waiting for the sunset. These ducks. Or these what are these? Gooses? Ducks?
I can't run if they chase me. I'm gonna kick them.
Ew, what is that fish? I almost stepped on that dead fish. Look, hold on. You see that? That's a dead fish. That's gross. Ready? I'm doing this one-handed right now. One-handed! Ah, got it! Oh, that was kind of okay. Clouds, Diana. They're like cartoon clouds. It's so pretty. Ready, Diana? I'm going to. Ah, get it. Nice. Ah, I got it. Oh, I hit it. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready. Ah! Try again. Ready? Ready? Oh, I got it. That was good. Got it. That was good. Oh, man. Got it. So it's about an hour later. We're still at the lake. I'm by myself sitting on a volleyball. As you can see, I'm just sitting on a volleyball. And Diana is waiting in a handicap parking spot, which I know is really bad, but she's just waiting it out so that we can try to see if we can get one of these spots right here because we saw someone do that and then we're like, oh, we missed it by a hair and a half. So we're just trying to wait it out and see if we can get a spot because we really want to sit where we can see the lake. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The only spots that are facing the lake, so we're trying to wait it out. Diana's right there in that Kia Soul. If you can see her, she's right there. So we're just trying to wait and see if one of these people leave, but most likely not. But other than that, look at this pretty sky. If it comes down to it, we're probably just gonna set up our blankets right there and just chillax and just watch the sky. But we really would like to get a spot.
We were waiting for what, like 30, maybe 45 minutes?
No, more than that, longer.
More than that, for a parking spot. And as soon as we decide to leave, boom.
And when I tell you we waited it out, we waited it out. I was sitting over there by myself in the corner, like I showed you earlier, on my volleyball for about maybe 45 minutes. And also, apparently you could have parked right there where that black car is. Yeah. And we didn't know that. We thought it was illegal. So, well, this is a better view to be honest because look at the duck. Because like we get to sit right here, it's on our little blanket with the view, the sky. Something funny that happened while we were while that was happening, an elderly couple was sitting right in front of, like, right by Dinah's car. So I was sitting there on my volleyball and Dinah was sitting in our car. We were both talking on the phone, and they had made the connection that we were talking to each other. As Dinah left, whenever we waited so long, they said, "Are you camping out or something?" And we're like, "Oh no, we're really just trying to watch the sunset. We've been waiting it out to park here for a while." And then they were like, "What did they said? They said, oh well, once people start parking there, they don't leave for a long time." And as soon as Dinah leaves, that's our luck. That is our luck. I'm just gonna be honest. But we get to watch the view. Actually, this is kind of better. We actually get like the front row seat set up that we have. Another angle of the view. There's ducks, lots of ducks, lots of pals, and my eyes are really blue today. I don't know why.
Apparently the birds and the ducks are
They're not friends. They never have been. They never will be. Look at those little family of flocks of birdies. Cray cray. It's gonna be a pretty sunset, I'm gonna tell you, because the sky's like already like. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that sky. Look at these clouds. Look at that. Look at that sky. Look at the clouds. Look at the sky. Clouds. Waves. We're not at the beach, but
if you zoom in.
If you zoom in, you get some waves.
It'll look like.
It looks like. It does look like you're in the ocean. Look. It's coming in. The wind blows them out of nowhere. Look at that light on the silhouette. Bob, Ginny, Betsy, and Billy.
That's Shaniqua right there.
I thought that was Billy.
That's Shaniqua.
Oh, Shaniqua. Hi, Shaniqua. We're gonna let's get real with you guys for a second. Hold on. So it's a lot later right now, and it's already, can you tell it's like dark, and the sunset still hasn't set yet. We've been here for about maybe an hour and a half. Anyways, I brought my Bible because I just felt like right before I left, I felt like God was telling me to bring my Bible to the lake. I don't know why, but I just felt like it. And so this entire, like, whatever time we've been sitting here, we pulled out Proverbs 14 and just read some of those verses, and we thought about those things for someone that we know in our life. But then we started looking at our own lives, and we've just been talking about our struggles and what we've been dealing with lately. And so I just want to tell you guys right here, right now, that I am not always joyful, Julianne. And also, I want to do a video about this. I actually planned this. I didn't tell you about this, but I have a video planned. Just gonna sit down, talk about my struggles, insecurities, all this stuff. So there's gonna be a whole video. If you want to listen to me rant about my problems, then you can check that out in the near future. And then Dinah, you want to say anything about this?
I think that, like, I learned a lot about myself just in, like, you know, a 30-minute combo. Like, when you take out the word and you're reading it, and it really brings on a different side of you, and you really kind of look at yourself differently as well, and
you put yourself in God's,
yeah, you can pinpoint
eyes.
those things that you want to change, that you know you should change, because others view you, no matter if you think they're looking or not. Others act on other people, you know, so changing yourself can impact other people into doing good as well.
Yes, but if you're dealing with anything and you have it, like, on your heart, it's so heavy, like it's like sitting on your heart, like literally that's how it felt. Just talk to someone that you can trust. Let me just tell you right off the bat. And if you have no one, guess who's always there for you? This man upstairs is always there for you. Let me just tell you that right off the bat. He has never left you, has never forsaken you.
Even if you don't believe, just try it. Just try it.
Anyways, we're gonna keep digging into the word and talk a little bit more. And yes, so I just hope everything is going good with y'all and your real life, personal, deep combos. We're gonna pray this out, and we will show you guys the sunset once it comes.
Literally 2 minutes later, it looks like this now.
Do you see that? Anyways, we were sitting here waiting for the sunset to go down after we prayed to God and thanked Him for everything He's taught us tonight. We opened our eyes and it got this dark.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Like, as soon as we opened our eyes, it was like dark, and it's like getting really dark. Apparently, we're not gonna get to see a really pretty sunset tonight, but it was pretty getting to see, like, the sun peek through the clouds. That was pretty.
It's coming by.
Good night, Gerald. Gerald scared me. He came from the side. It's about to start raining. We need to head out. We need to go. Oh my goodness, we're heading out. Yeah, it's about to start raining now. We need to get out. We need to head out.
It just got really cold.
Okay, we gotta go. We're about to get caught in a storm. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look, the turtles are flowing in the sea. Alright, we gotta go. It's start raining. We have a far walk back to the car. Ah! Oh my goodness. We gotta go. We have been here for so long. It got so dark. me a text that said the storms are brewing. I'm not kidding. Look at this wind, guys. Who would have thought? Who would have even look at this. I'm like getting flabbergasted by this wind. Flabbergasted? I know. Look at the trees. Do you see this? Trying to show the wind to them.
All right, Timmy.
Record the video because my mom called me because she doesn't want us to get stuck in the storm.
We're going to get to the cold.
I feel like I dropped something and I'm out of breath.
Oh, the wind takes us away.
We're gonna get blown by the wind.
The pillow is falling.
The pillow is falling down.
We're going to get to the cold.
We gotta go. We're so weird. My Bible's falling out of my hand. My mom literally just called me and was like, and I just started screaming on the phone. I was like, we're coming home.
There.
Can you believe how dark it got that fast?
Is that what?
Let's get out of here. Oh man, we gotta get home before the wind takes us away.
It got dark so quick.
It got dark so quick. Alright, we're finally leaving, and that was crazy. Daniel's putting this stuff up right now.
It feels so good though. Way darker than
Yes.
it was when we first.
So we're gonna head home now.
We should
Just pray we get home safe. At least we only live like 7 minutes away, so.
Yeah.
Woo! That's crazy. Look at these trees. A night with my bestie girl. My bestie girl.
I don't want to run over anybody.
Oh yeah. My shoulder hurts because I got so stressed. Peace out, everybody. Okay. I started a video. And I put this in a YouTube video because I've done in this part of the video. I'm here with my friend Imogen right now, and we're literally at the park taking pictures in the rain because we were already planning on taking pictures today, but it just decided to rain on us. So now we're in the rain taking pictures, and my hair is already flattening out, but it's fine.
I know, that was fine.
And I want to do a clip of us singing in the rain.
Okay.
Because I think it's fun. Let me sit back here. Wait, we should have an idea.
Come on, the different.
Yes! I'm sorry, that's good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I see in the rain. I see in the rain. What a wonderful morning. I'm happy again. That was the greatest singing that I've ever heard in my life. So cute. Heading home. Imogen's driving home right now. Yeah, and we're just gonna have a little picnic outside my house. So that's what we're gonna do next. Scratch the idea that this is lunch. This is actually an early dinner. And it's soaking wet. Let me just show you this. Like, do you see that? Look at my hands are kind of like wet. You can tell my hair started out actually looking nice, but now it's just flat. So the hairspray did nothing for me. So
I thought about putting some on, but then it always makes my hair crunchy.
yeah, but now the crunch is gone because it's like I just took a shower. So we are at my house now. We're having a little picnic, and we're trying to be 6 feet apart. We're not really. This is what we have. We have a little. What is this called? Strawberry shortcake. A little salad. I have chips and raspberries, and then Imogen has about the same thing as me. So we're gonna enjoy our little picnic. Hey guys, I'm here with my friend Vivian. We're at a tennis court right now, and we did yoga when we first got here. And then what do we do after that? We did tennis, and then now we're just eating, and I've been eating slow, and we've just been chatting it up. And so after that, we have some paints, and we're gonna try to paint something cool. So yeah.
Subscribers do you have again?
Over 1,000.
You have a lot to look at.
I don't know why. I think it's just because I'm silly. Oh, you can see that I'm recording.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's like a line. There's literally a line of people just walking in a line. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of funny. They started from over there, and then they went all the way around, and they're just like a huge line of people. I wonder if that is a family. That's you.
Maybe I think
Are they running? Okay, yeah, they're running, I guess.
now I need to do,
Really?
yeah, like, get that or something.
This is what I've got so far. It's kind of crazy and unique looking. See? I'm just like putting some. You mean show yours to everybody? Okay, yours is so cute. Just like a little taco. Taco. Here's our finished products. We got a taco and some sort of fruit plate. That's all crazy looking. Okay, now we're doing yoga, and we're just laying in the heat about to do it. We did yoga when we first got here, and now we're about to do it again before we leave.
We did this one.
Yoga.
She's like, do you see?
Oh yeah, I can see that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so she's like this.
No, she's like this.
She's like
She's
chest
like
out. My legs are like higher than my actual stomach. I always feel like we leave something.
You always feel like
I
that.
always
I
do.
remember. We're always waiting.
Every time I leave class, I'm like, did I leave something? But really I didn't. Look at this field of interestingness. Oh, you can feel the wetness on the ground from the rain yesterday.
Hey, we're here walking.
Tell them how I met you, Vivian.
How did you? Through Stuco?
Yes, student council. So we have student council at my high school, and I met Vivian. She was sitting next to me,
Yeah.
and I started talking to her. We
just
started
kinda started
talking,
talking.
and we clicked it off right off the bat. We hit it off. Right.
She's super nice.
Vivian's super nice.
Super sweet.
How nice. Earlier, in the volleyball court over there were some random little kids jumping in the water, and it was really awkward. They were just jumping.
Gross.
It was gross. It was like muddy and everything. Okay, so it's a lot later now and my hair's literally a mess. Like, yeah. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of just like a whole compiled fun weekend in my life. If you would like to see more weeks or weekends in my life, just give this video a huge thumbs up. And I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, and healthy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.